how to add Instagram to TikTok business account. To get started, first of all, you need to open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to this page where you can view all the reels shared on TikTok. Then, tap on this profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're in this page, tap on the Edit Profile section over here. Then, select the option Link from here. Now, you need to tap on the option that says Instagram. It will take you to this Instagram login page. Once you're here, you need to type in the email and password for your Instagram account. After that, hit the login button. Before doing all of this, make sure that your account is already switched to business account. After you're done, you will have your Instagram account added with the TikTok business account. So, by following these steps, you can add Instagram to TikTok business account.